Men vad
What's in the bag?
vad köper du nu?
I have stuffed mushrooms. I have garlic potatoes. And I have some turned over eggs. And that barbecue. And here we have some bacon that is really crisp and nice now. And some tomatoes that is really mushy. Really mushy tomatoes. Yummo. And here we have Mona's 2 eggs like that. Sunny side up. Sunny side up for Mona.